Hello everyone, my name is Professor Mukherjee and today we will be talking about the motivation and managerial relevance of the DBA. The motivation for pursuing a DBA should stem from a desire to systematically interrogate managerial problems that is repeatedly encountered in practice, but for which existing tools and frameworks provide only partial answers. While executive experience builds intuition, many strategic decisions around technology adoption, consumer behavior, and organizational change are made under theoretical assumptions that are rarely questioned or empirically validated in real managerial contexts. A DBA offers a unique opportunity to translate lived managerial experience into rigorous inquiry, allowing us to step back from the decision-making urgency and develop evidence-based insight. Unlike a purely academic PhD, the DBA enables us to remain deeply engaged with practice while developing theoretical sensitivity, methodological discipline, and analytical distance. At its core, the motivation would be to develop the reflection of a practitioner scholar, someone who does not simply apply frameworks but to contribute to developing new ones and refining them. From a managerial perspective, the DBA is designed to generate actionable, generalizable knowledge where research questions in a DBA are anchored in real organizational issues. The managerial relevance lies in three dimensions. First, DBA research produces decision-relevant insights that managers can directly use to design processes, policies, and strategies. Second, it improves managerial judgment by uncovering boundary conditions, when popular practices work, when they fail, and why. Third, it enables organizations to move from best practices to informed practices, grounded in evidence rather than imitation. In this sense, the DBA is not a retreat from practice, but an intellectual deepening of it, equipping leaders to make better decisions in complex, uncertain environments.